Hi students, good morning. So far we have discussed, we have learned differentiation, how to find differentiation of logarithmic function, inverse trigonometric functions, okay, implicity, explicit functions. Now we'll discuss application of derivative, okay, which is useful in science, engineering subjects, okay, many fields we can use the application of derivative. There are many application of derivatives. In that few we'll discuss in this second few syllabus. It's rate measure, maximum and minimum, how to find maximum value, minimum value, how we can identify increasing and decreasing, in which interval increasing and decreasing, okay, such concept we'll discuss in the application of derivative. Application of derivative, which is the most important and concentrated tough topic, but which is easy, but if you practice well, okay. Application of derivative, there are many topics. First topic here, rate measure, rate measure. First topic is rate measure, okay. The rate of change of quantities. This is another name is rate of change of quantities. Rate measure or rate of change of quantities. See, we know dy by dx meaning is derivative of y with respect of x. There is a quantity y, there is another quantity y. So derivative of one quantity with respect of another quantity. So this we can write rate of change of y, rate of change of y with respect x, dy by dt. Tell me rate of change of y with respect t. dx by dt meaning is rate of change of x, with respect to time. T means where t means time. Okay. Similarly, ds by dt, where s is the displacement. The rate of change of s means displacement, distance, with respect time. Are you following? The rate of change of displacement is called velocity. So v equal to ds by dt. Change in displacement, the ratio of change in displacement, change in time is called velocity. Understood? Next, dv by dt, where v is velocity. Rate of change of velocity. What is the rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. Are you following? Rate of change of displacement, velocity, v is equal to dx by dt. Acceleration a equal to dv by dt. Understood? Similarly, dr by dt, where r is the radius of circle or radius of sphere, anyone. So what is the rate of change of r, radius, with respect to time? So dr by dt meaning is rate of change of radius. Simply we say instead of time. Every time you don't need to write with respect of time. So simply we say, see, displacement, rate of change of displacement with respect of time. Instead of this, we say simple rate of change of displacement. So rate of change of displacement is called velocity. Similarly, rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. So this is called rate of radius. Where r is radius of any circle, sphere or rectangle. dV by dt, where V is the value of any cube, any object, volume of cube, volume of sphere, like that. What is the meaning of dV by dt? Rate of value. Rate of value. dA by dt, dA by dt, where A is the area of circle, area of sphere, surface area of sphere. So dA by dt meaning is rate of area. Rate of area. dC by dt, where C is the circumference of circle, dC by dt means rate of circumference. If this velocity ds by dt, if it is positive 5 meter per second, positive, here positive, then the rate of displacement, the rate of velocity, the rate of displacement increasing. If it is negative, then the rate of displacement decreasing. Here same thing applicable for all. dV by dt, if it is positive, the rate of velocity increasing. If it is negative, the rate of velocity decreasing. So this is applicable for radius. If radius is positive, dr by dt is positive, that is called the rate of radius increasing. The rate of radius, if it is decreasing, then dr by dt is negative. Understood? Rate of radius, rate of area, if increasing, then dA by dt is positive. If it is decreasing, dA by dt is negative. Rate of value, here V is value, here V is velocity. Rate of value increasing, then the dV by dt is positive. Rate of value decreasing, then the dV by dt is negative. This is. Are you following? And circumference of dC by dt is positive, then increasing. If it is negative, decreasing. Okay. Okay. Rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. Rate of change of displacement is called velocity. Okay. And you should know some formulas. Already you have learned in lower class. Let us once again recall the formulas of volume of cube, volume of sphere. Okay, those which is useful in this topic. So first, everybody knows circle. Okay, this is the radius. So what is the area of circle is pi r square, and circumference of circle is 2 pi r. Next sphere. This is sphere. It look like ball, not circle. Okay, sphere radius is r. Okay, the volume of sphere equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, and the surface area is this part. Surface area of sphere S equal to 4 pi r square. This formula which is very important in this topic. Third one, you know the square, you know what is the area of square, side is x, area of square is x square, and the perimeter of square is 4x. Perimeter of square is 4x. Next, the fourth one, rectangle. Rectangle area is x1, and perimeter of rectangle is 2 into x plus y, where x is length, y is breadth. Next, fifth formula, cylinder. Okay, the value of cylinder V equal to pi r square h, where h is the height of the cylinder, r is the base area of cylinder. And surface area of cylinder is only this curved surface area, not the total surface area. Curved surface area is 2 pi r h. Total surface area means here down pi r square, up pi r square. So 2 pi r square we should add. That is total surface area. 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. Yes. cone. This is cone. Okay. Volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. And surface area, curved surface area of cone is pi r n, where L is a slant height. This is L, this is h, this is r, where L is slant height. L is equal to under root of h square plus r square. Next one, this much. Q. Here, x, all sides are equal, all edges. This is Q. Okay, the value of Q equal to x cube, length, breadth, height. All are same. Value of Q is x cube, where x is the edge. Next, surface area of Q equal to one area is x square. Like how many faces are there? 6 faces. 6 into x square. This is surface area of Q. This is value of Q. Next, cuboid means length different. Cuboid means like this. Here all sides edges are equal. They are not equal. Then this is L, B, H. So what is the value of this is L, B, H. Then the surface area is L, B and up also L, B. 2 sides. So 2 into L, B plus B, H plus H. Exercise 6.1. This topic, first exercise, weightage is 5 marks. From this exercise, 5 marks question guaranteed. Okay? And very easy also. First question is find the rate of change of the area of a circle with respect to its radius r, when a r equal to 3 centimeter, b r equal to 4 centimeter. Now, listen. Find the rate of change of area of circle with respect to its radius, not time. Radius means dA by dr. Rate of change of area with respect radius is dA by dr. Are you following? Rate of change of the area with respect radius is dA by dr. This we are going to find. We are going to find dA by dr. First question A. They given r equal to 3 centimeter. Tell me area of circle is 5 r square. Give the name of that. I am taking A for area. Okay, A equal to 5 r square. Now we are going to find dA by dr with respect of r. So we should apply differentiate with respect of r. Okay, apply differentiation with respect r, not x. Then dA by dr equal to d by dr of pi r square. Okay, dA by dr equal to d, in that constant is pi, then d by dr of r square. R square derivative with respect of r, 2r. R radius with respect of r is 1. X square differentiation with respect of x is 2x. Like that, r square differentiation with respect of r is 2r. Pi into 2r. R derivative with respect of r is 1. So we got dA by dr equal to 2 by r. Where r is equal to 3 centimeters. Substitute 2 pi r equal to 3. Answer is 6 pi centimeter for second square. What is the units? Unit square. Second square. Sorry, radius is centimeter for centimeter square. Area centimeter square for centimeter. This is dA by dr equal to 6 pi centimeter square for centimeter. Next, second B question. R is equal to 4 centimeter. Now we got dA by dr. dA by dr equal to 2 pi r. 2 pi r. Where r equal to 4. 2 pi into 4. 2 pi into 4 equal to 8 pi. So 8 pi centimeter square for centimeter. Understood? Second question. The value of Q. The value of Q. The value of Q is increasing. Increasing at the rate of 8 centimeter cube per second. How fast is the surface area increasing when the length of an edge is 12 centimeter. Edge is 12 centimeter. See, value of Q is increasing at the rate of 8 centimeter cube per second. Increasing means positive. And value of Q increasing at the rate meaning is, let V for value of Q. Let V start for value of Q. Value of Q. Okay? Value of Q increasing is increasing at the rate of 8 centimeter cube per second. So this is given in written form. Now write in the mathematical differentiation form. Tell me rate of Q, value of Q increasing at the rate of meaning is dV by dt. dV by dt. Value of Q with respect of time. Yes, per second time. Increasing is positive. If it is given decreasing, then you take minus. How much increasing? 8 centimeter cube per second. This is dV by dt. This is given that. How fast is the surface area? How fast the surface area means dA by dt. Increasing, fast should get. When the length of the edge is 12 centimeter. So cube length, let x be the edge of cube. Edge of cube. This is the cube. Edge of cube. Now value of cube. Tell me value of cube. V equal to formula x cube. Now we should apply differential with respect of time. Given dv by dt. So d by dt v equal to d by dt of x cube. dv by dt equal to x cube differentiation. 3x square into x differentiation with respect of t, dx by dt. Understood? X differentiation with respect of t is dx by dt. Now, let x is equal to, given x is equal to how much is 12 centimeter. dv by dt equal to, dv by dt is given. How much dv by dt? dv by dt is 8, 3x, x is 12 square into dx by dt we do. Now, 8 by 3 into 12 square is 144, which is equal to dx by dt. What is meaning of this? X means edge of cube. So rate of edge of cube is 8 by 3 into 144. Means 2 4 ja 2 sorry 4 2 ja 8 4 3 ja 12 4 6 ja 20. Correct? And even though cancel this 2 18 1 by 18 into 3 54 dx by dt equal to 1 by 54. X means edge centimeter per second. But we are going to find how fast is the surface area of cube. Means we should find the surface area. Let surface area symbol is S. So dx by dt we should find. Yes, the S stands for that S is the surface area of cube. So tell me surface area of cube formula S is equal to 6x square. So ds by dt, their meaning is rate of surface area. How fast surface area is ds by dt equal to 6x square differentiation is 2x here d by dx dt of x square 6 into x square differentiation 2x into x differentiation with respect of t is dx by dt. 6 into 2 12 x is 12 dx by dt is 1 by 54. By cancellation 6 2 is 12. Okay, 6 9. Right? 3 3 is 9 3 4. So which is equal to 4 into 2 8 by 3 s means area centimeters square per second. Meter or centimeter units they give centimeter dx by dt. So dx by dt is we got positive here. Positive is increasing or decreasing? Increasing. Therefore the surface area increasing at the rate of 8 by 3 centimeter square per second. That is the conclusion. Surface area of cube increasing at the rate of 8 by 3 centimeter square per second. This is very important. This is the 5 marks question. Okay. Next, third question. The radius of circle is increasing uniformly at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. The radius of circle is increasing uniformly at the rate of means dr by dt, where r is radius of circle. Dr by dt how much? 3 centimeter per second, where r equal to radius of circle. Question, you can see the book. textbook. I am going to explain direct. Find the rate at which the area of circle is increasing when the radius is 10 centimeters. Radius r equal to 10 centimeter. Given that this is, and area of circle, we are going to find area of circle is increasing. Area of circle increasing means we should find rate of area. Rate of area means dA by dt. So area of circle formula A equal to pi r square. Now we should find dA by dt. Apply d by dt of pi r square. dA by dt equal to pi constant d by dt into r square. Pi into r square differentiation is 2r into dr by dt. So 2 pi r into dr by dt. Yes. Now dA by dt equal to 2 pi r is 10 into dr by dt. dr by dt is 3. So answer is 30 into 60 pi centimeter square per second. The rate of area of circle increasing or decreasing? Increasing, because positive. So rate of area of circle increasing at the rate of 60 pi centimeter square